Hello my friends, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to Coach Jeffster. I'm Jeff, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple origami in 5 simple folds. As you can see, it looks more like a French fry cup, but it can hold snacks and certainly hold water, so let's do it. What you'll need is 1 sheet of printer paper cut down into a square, or 1 square sheet of origami paper, any size. In order to get a square, you would have to fold the printer paper this corner to this side, fold this over, and then cut it off, or give it a simple tear and tear it down. I would suggest cutting it off, as not everyone is adept or able to rip this off. So let's start. Okay, once we have our square, we're going to fold it diagonal. And if you're using printer paper, you'll already have a diagonal triangle. Take 1 corner, fold it to the side. Not to here, but to the side. Try and make it even. And do the same to the other side. We're up to fold number 3. And take this fold, you'll see there's 2 flaps, and fold 1 down, right? We took the top remaining flap, folded 1 side down, and the other side down when we turn it over. So again, it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, pretty nice little cup, pretty cool. Give it a try, whatever you need it for. If not, it's fun making. So I hope you had fun and you could follow along. If you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe and like, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.